Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Krival Nails. Now I can tell you already, spoiler alert, that I'm already obsessed with this color combination. So we're starting off strong here with this beautiful mustard yellow. It has the perfect darkness to it, but yet it still has like a side of brightness. It's called AMULET and it is stunning. It is a pure solid. Here's what it looks like with the first dip, but don't let that first dip fool you, because when you dip it in for a second dip, it is even more beautiful. And I think this color right here would be perfect for a cozy sweater mani. So like this would be your nail, and then adding some sweater nail art would be to die for with this color. It is so pretty. But this mani is giving me rustic harvest Thanksgiving vibes with this color combination. And wait till you see one of the glitters we're going to dive into in a few moments. When you see the glitter, it has rich colors of browns, oranges, coppers, golds. It's giving me like, you know, remember like those Indian corns, like dried Indian corn that you would get that have like all the different color corn kernels? That's what it reminds me of. And this brush right here is also from Krival Nails, by the way. It is fantastic. It's big, it's fluffy, it's soft, it is everything, and it's beautiful. So if you are looking for a nail brush, add that to your cart when you are placing your Krival Nails orders, because it is beautiful and it looks very aesthetically pleasing on your nail station as well. So I know we got off sidetrack there with that brush, but these colors are perfect. Now, if these colors are not your cup of tea, don't worry, we'll be playing with more Krival nail colors shortly here on my channel. But I really love these. I feel like they're very warm and rich in color. And wait till you see that glitter. Like I said, stay tuned for that. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to Mallory's Nails. My first name is Mallory, so of course we had to name it Mallory's Nails. You are in the right spot, especially if you want to see colors in action. The purpose of my channel and the main thing is I really want you to see how colors perform so you can get a really awesome idea if a color is going to be for you. That is the main reason why I like to make press-ons, because I feel like you can see how the colors perform and you can see a better color payoff on that press-on versus if I'm trying to maneuver my hand. So that is why I really like to do the press-on, so you can really see the color impact. Plus, since I change my nails so often, I really like having that opportunity and the option to make press-ons so then I can go back and wear them whenever I want. I feel like I spend a lot of time on my nails, and to me, it's kind of like a form of art in a way. I know that sounds really silly. So when I was using peel base and like popping them off right after, it was like, it killed me, because I was like, this is so pretty, but yet I want to share more colors with you guys. So that is another reason why I like to make press-ons, because then I can swap them out and change them whenever I want. Now, to adhere my press-ons, I do use dip base. You put a little bit of dip base on your natural nail and a little bit of dip base on that actual press-on, and then go ahead and apply it to your nail and hold down for 30 seconds. And I do that for the whole hand. And what I do is I like to go ahead and place my press-ons if I want longevity. I place those on right before bed. So I'm avoiding any lotions, any cuticle oils, any heat, any water, anything like that, even cooking, like any of that steam. I'm avoiding that completely after I go ahead and put my nails on for about 4 hours. So that's why I find that it's a little bit better to go ahead and place on those nails right before bed, because then you can really get a good adhesion. If you're looking for a temporary wear, you could also use these nail adhesive tabs. Those are some options for you when you are making press-ons. All right, so here's that glitter that I was talking about. Isn't it everything? It is beautiful. It has such rich jewel tone colors. It's perfect for Thanksgiving. It is giving me like the Indian corn that I was talking about before. It is just screaming that to me, like all those different color kernels. That is what I'm thinking. But even if it's not Thanksgiving, this color is super, super beautiful. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani and see this beautiful glitter in action. And then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you
Now that we're done hand placing the glitters, we're gonna go ahead and file and buff. By the way, hand placing those glitters was so much fun. I think that's one of like my favorite things to do for a mani is hand place glitters. Okay, filing and buffing was super easy. You saw there, all I did was gently reshape ever so slightly on that tip there, and then I just cleaned up the sidewalls and the free edge. That was it. We're gonna go in with a layer of gel base on all the nails, and I am going to cure for a full 30 seconds. Now that that's all cured, we're going to seal up everything with a layer of gel top coat. This gel top coat is going to give you a really awesome shine. Also, it is HEMA free as well. Cured for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I love, and now when I say I love, I'm like another level for this mani. I think it's so beautiful. There's just something about this color. It is like the perfect mustard yellow. I mean, I feel like some mustard yellows, they're either too dark or too bright. This is definitely the best mustard yellow I own. So if you've been looking for that perfect mustard yellow, look no further. Krival has the answer to the perfect mustard yellow. All right, so if you do order now, by the way, you still can get your order in time for Thanksgiving. Today is Tuesday the 14th. So if you order by this week, you're going to be able to get that in time for Thanksgiving. So you can rock something similar like this, or you can even do the exact same mani for Thanksgiving. So options are endless again when you are doing your nails at home. But this combo right here is everything. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow we will jump right back into the Christmas series. I am gonna sprinkle in some more Thanksgiving and some other nail manis in between the Christmas series, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit. And then I also do have a giveaway as well coming up, so stay tuned for that. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.